Here's some eco-design trivia. Subscribe. What type of material minimizes environmental harm? Is it A, concrete, B, styrofoam, C, biodegradable, or D, plastic? The correct answer is C, biodegradable. Who authored Cradle to Cradle? Is it A, Aldo Rossi, B, Michael Brongart, C, William McDonough, or D, Jane Jacobs? The correct answer is B, Michael Brongart. What practice seeks to minimize energy consumption? Is it A, renewable energy, B, sustainable aesthetics, C, energy-efficient design, or D, high-energy budgets? The correct answer is C, energy-efficient design. What architectural movement focuses on green buildings? Is it A, sustainable architecture, B, Art Deco, C, brutalism, or D, neoclassicism? The correct answer is A, sustainable architecture. Who founded the concept of eco-design? Is it A, William Morris, B, Frank Lloyd Wright, C, Victor Papanek, or D, Alvar Aalto? The correct answer is C, Victor Papanek. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.